Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to take you right into my kitchen where I will be preparing some brown stew chicken foot. Yes, brown stew chicken foot. You hear that right. The first thing that I'm going to do is to make sure that I clean the chicken foot very well. So I am going to take you right into the preparation, but before I go, let's check this out. The first step is making sure the chicken feet are properly clean and prepared for cooking. I'll show you how I clean them thoroughly before seasoning them with fresh, natural herb and spice. If you enjoy my home cooking and traditional Jamaican recipe, you're in the right place. Let's get started. If you're not yet subscribed to Country Life Nice, you can go ahead now, subscribe, share, like, comment. I don't know if you cook your chicken feet with these strings inside the chicken feet. I normally take them out because if you know, when you cook the chicken feet, it let the chicken raw. So if you are cooking your chicken and you pull out these in the feet, let me know because I do. These are what I got from my chicken foot, and now that my chicken foot is very clean, I am going to take you right into the cleaning part where I have my lime and my vinegar to wash the chicken. Now it's time to get my seasoning going. And this seasoning is an Asian seasoning, and it consists of all the natural herbs in there. So I use it to season my chicken foot a lot with some other powdered season as well. Most likely like black pepper and Maggi seasoning. Now it's time to cook our delicious brown stew chicken feet. So when the pot is hot, I pour some oil into the pot. Next, I add a small amount of sugar and let it slowly melt until it's brown. This gives the chicken feet that rich, deep color and Jamaican flavor. If you prefer, you can skip the brown sugar and use browning instead. Either method works well, so choose the one you like best. Now I am adding my well-seasoned chicken feet to the pot. Listen to that sizzling. I am going to stir everything together so each piece is coated with that beautiful color. Then I'll cover the pot and let the chicken feet cook until they change color and begin to release the flavor of the juice. This step is important because it locks the seasoning and builds a rich taste that makes brown stew chicken feet so delicious. You can follow this with the next step where I had water and fresh herbs, carrot, and let the chicken feet simmer until they become tender. But before that, we are going to chop up carrot, Irish potato, we have tomatoes and sweet pepper. So stay with me. Let's take you right into how I prepare my seasoning. Yummy. The wonderful feeling of the aroma fill this kitchen. let you know something special is cooking. Stay with me as we continue cooking this mouth-watering brown stew chicken feet. Now it's time to add the finishing touch. I am adding my freshly chopped sweet pepper, green onion, and tomato to the pot for extra flavor and color. Next, I sprinkle in some cayenne pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and black pepper to enhance the rich taste. Then I add a little parsley to my pot. I add a little ketchup as well. Then I'll add a spoonful of margarine to give the gravy a smooth, delicious finish. And there you have it, my flavorful Jamaican brown stew chicken feet, cooked with fresh herb and natural seasoning. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your family and friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss another recipe, gardening life tips, and family vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and keep enjoying good homemade cooking. Bye.